Maybe you love mountain biking. Maybe you're really good at crocheting. Maybe you can drink cool drink faster than everyone else in your friend group. There is no experience that can be excluded from your Upwork profile. At the end of the day, it is a life experience and it's unique to you. Today, I'm going to show you how you can take those unique experiences and add it to your Upwork profile to strengthen that profile and help you land high-paying jobs. My name is Tyler, and I'm an independent, top-rated freelancer on Upwork. And if you follow my videos, you can get that top-rated badge too. So without further ado, let's get going. So on the right-hand side of your homepage or your job feed, you're going to go and click on your name, and you will end up on this page. You can see over here, you have your entire profile. Now we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And it is, in fact, the very last section over here. Other experiences. So you can go ahead and click on add an experience or use the plus icon on the right-hand side. You can enter the subject and the description. And the reason there aren't as many fields to fill out as maybe employment history, even your testimonials, and other sections is because other experiences can be pretty much anything that would contribute in a positive way to building a strong Upwork profile. Let me give you some examples. I'm using perplexity.ai, which is an absolutely amazing AI search engine. So here I have requested 10 things that you could add to the other experiences section on your Upwork profile. This may include volunteer work or community service related to your skills, coaching or consulting sessions, relevant internships and apprenticeships, side projects, personal freelance work that are not being done through Upwork, participation in professional workshops, training programs, non-profit organizations or social experiments, social enterprise experience, teaching, tutoring, mentoring in your field, contributions to open source projects or collaborative online work, speaking engagements, webinars, panel discussions, any relevant hobbies or creative pursuits that demonstrate transferable skills or expertise. So if, for example, you love mountain biking and you find over here that there is a job for mountain biking, let's say somebody that has experience or knowledge in mountain biking, maybe a blog writer, content creator, anything that's remotely related. Look here, outdoor adventure video, outdoor product photo, graphic designer, another graphic designer, video commercial. These are all jobs related to mountain biking. And you may be wondering to yourself, how does mountain biking equate to being relevant on my Upwork profile? Well, there it is. It's right in front of you. You can see that if you love mountain biking and you do a lot of mountain biking, generally you would presumably know a lot about mountain biking and understand the environment and the technical side of it. And you may have an opportunity to create a 30-second outdoor adventure video and apply to any one of these other jobs. Now, how is it more relevant than other work experience? Well, there are a lot of people with work experience and there are different niches and different fields of expertise, but when you're adding the other experiences, this could literally be absolutely everything and anything. As I mentioned now, we're using mountain biking as an example because it's not actually a job. And you can now take advantage of the fact that you know or are passionate about something, and it'll allow you to stand out when you are applying to a job. So out of these 5 people, perhaps maybe 3 of them are video creators. Maybe they've never touched a mountain bike. That gives you the edge because you have the advantage of knowledge and experience and know-how with a particular subject, in this example being mountain biking, thus increasing your chance of getting a job on Upwork, especially if you are a new Upwork user and you don't have any work history. This is a fantastic way to build a strong profile. Trust me when I say it is not easy starting on Upwork with no job history, no experience, no knowledge of how the platform actually operates. But with hard work and dedication, you can also be successful, just like I am and millions of other freelancers. If you found this video really and truly helpful, you can drop a like down below to show your support. You can also leave a comment if you have any questions, inquiries, whatever, it doesn't matter. Drop a comment below. If you'd like to contact me privately, you can go ahead onto my homepage and find my personal email address there. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, take care.